Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So students, today we will discuss
Informal letters. So first of all, we'll understand what is informal letter. An informal letter is a letter that one writes to friends and relatives. Informal letters वो letters होते हैं जो friends और relatives को write किए जाते हैं. Format of informal letter. So first of all, we'll write sender's address like Boys Hostel, Government Senior Secondary School, Kullu. Then leave one line, and after leaving one line, you will write date like 21st June 2000 and write year. Then leave one line again, then write salutation. If you are writing your father, then write my dear father. If you are writing to mother, then write my dear mother, my dear uncle, my dear friend, etc. Then write content means body of the letter. Then fifth part, ending. In ending you will write yours affectionately, and you can write yours loving son if you are writing your father, etc. Let's discuss the letters. First read the question properly. If address or name is mentioned there, then use that address or name. Question 1. Congratulating on winning a scholarship. Question. Write a letter to your friend Sumit congratulating him on getting a scholarship. So name is also mentioned here, Sumit. Or this question can be also like this. Write a letter to your friend congratulating him on his brilliant success in the matriculation examination. This is most important question. First of all, write sender's address. New Colony, Dhalpur, Kullu. Then leave one line. Then write date like this, 12 April 2000, and then write year, then leave one line, then write my dear Sumit, because name is already mentioned in the question. Then write body of the letter like the result of the matriculation examination was out today. My joy knew no bounds when I looked up for your result on the internet and saw that you have got 385 marks. You have passed not only with a high percentage of marks, but your name appears in the list of scholarship winners also. Please accept my heartiest congratulations on your brilliant success. Really, it is a splendid success. You have brought honor to your family and to us also. It was your hard work that has borne such a sweet fruit. Please convey my congratulations to your dear parents. Your loving friend, Ankur. Next letter, a letter of condolence means सांत्वना देने के लिए जो लेटर लिखे जाते हैं उनको बोलते हैं condolence letters. Question. Write a letter of condolence to your friend who has recently lost his mother. This is most important letter. Now first of all you will write sender's address like this, 15A Model Town, Shimla. Then leave one line, then write date like this, 12 March 2000, then write year, then leave one line again, then write my dear Anil. Then write body of the letter like this. I am deeply shocked to learn about the sad and untimely death of your mother. I knew that she had not been keeping good health for some time past, but I never thought that she would leave us so soon. Dear Anil, do not give way to grief that spares nobody. Your loss is great, but tears cannot bring your dear mother back. Such was God's will, and we must bow to it. With heartfelt sympathies, yours sincerely, Satnam. Now next letter, question. Congratulating friend on getting a good job. Question. Write a letter to your friend congratulating him on getting a good job. This is important letter. So first of all, you will write sender's address like this, 14th Railway Road, Nahan. Then leave one line, then write 12th January 2000, then write year, then leave one line again, then write My dear Rakesh. Then write I have just received your letter. I am so happy to know that you have got the job of a manager in a big company. In fact, you deserve this job. You have always worked hard in your life. You always take your job seriously. You work honestly and to the best of your ability. I think your company is lucky to have you as a manager. With heartiest congratulations, yours sincerely, Suresh. Now next question number 4. Inviting friend to spend vacation. Question. Write a letter to your friend inviting him/her to spend his/her summer vacation with you on a hill station. This is most important question. Now first of all you will write sender's address like this 15 Mall Road, Dalhousie. Then leave one line. Then write date like this 27 May 2000. Then write year. Then leave one line again. Then write My dear Sushil, or you can write My dear friend. Then write content means body of the letter. I am very glad to know that your school has broken up for summer vacation. I invite you to spend your vacation with us at Dalhousie. Dalhousie is a beautiful hill station. The air here is cool and bracing. The rains have set in. We have a shower of rain almost daily. After a shower, the weather becomes pleasant. Fruit is cheap and can be had in plenty. I shall take you round the various beauty spots here. Hiking around the mountains has a joy of its own. It will certainly be a treat if you come. We shall have a jolly good time here. My parents will be very happy to have you in our midst. Kindly write me the time and date of your arrival. I am anxiously waiting for you. Yours sincerely, Rahul. Next question 5. Advising younger brother to avoid bad company. Question. Write a letter to your younger brother advising him to avoid bad company and think about his future. This is most important question. First of all, write sender's address like this 216 Park Street, Chamba. Then leave one line. Then write date like this 18 December 2000. Then write year. Then leave one line again. Then write Dear Suraj. Then write I have just received your progress report from the principal of your school. I am very sad to say that the report is very bad. You fall in almost all the subjects. I fear you must have fallen in bad company. Father will be very angry when he learns all this. You should try to get rid of your bad friends. You know, our father is not a rich man. Don't waste his hard-earned money. Work hard on your studies. You must show good results in the next examination. I think you will act upon my advice. Yours affectionately, Pratik. Now next letter number 6. To father asking for money. Question. Write a letter to your father asking him to send you some money for buying books. This is most important question. First of all, write sender's address like this: Examination Hall XYZ. Then leave one line. Then write date like this: 06 January 2000. Then write year. Then leave one line again. Then write dear dad, or you can write my dear father. I have to buy some new books. I need them to prepare for the coming examination. They can be of a great help to me. So, I request you to send me 500 rupees. Please send the money soon. The examinations are drawing very near. With regards, yours affectionate son, Kranti.
That's all for this session.
For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel.
See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.